St. Petersburg, often referred to as the Venice of the North, is a city steeped in history, culture, and artistic heritage, making it one of Russia's most captivating and enchanting destinations. Nestled along the banks of the Neva River in northwestern Russia, St. Petersburg is renowned for its stunning architecture, world-class museums, and a vibrant arts scene that beckons travelers from around the globe. One of the city's most iconic landmarks is the Hermitage Museum, housed in the opulent Winter Palace. This sprawling complex boasts a vast and unparalleled collection of art, including works by masters like Leonardo da Vinci, Rembrandt, and Michelangelo. The stunning opulence of the palace itself, with its gilded halls and intricate frescoes, is a testament to the grandeur of Russia's imperial past. Another must-visit attraction is the Church of the Savior on Spilled Blood, a masterpiece of Russian architecture. Its colorful onion domes and intricate mosaics inside make it a true feast for the eyes. The Peter and Paul Fortress, the city's founding site, is also a significant historical landmark, home to the impressive Peter and Paul Cathedral, which houses the tombs of many Russian tsars. St. Petersburg's network of canals and rivers is a defining feature of the cityscape, and a canal boat tour is an excellent way to take in the city's beauty from a unique perspective. The city's many bridges, including the famous drawbridges, add to the enchantment, especially during the white nights in summer when the city stays illuminated throughout the night. For those interested in Russian literature, a visit to the Dostoevsky Museum or the Pushkin House Museum is a must. These museums provide insights into the lives and works of two of Russia's most celebrated literary figures, Fyodor Dostoevsky and Alexander Pushkin. St. Petersburg's vibrant cultural scene extends beyond museums and historical sites. The Mariinsky Theater, one of the world's most renowned opera and ballet houses, offers captivating performances that showcase the city's artistic excellence. The city also hosts various music festivals, including the White Nights Festival, featuring international stars and dazzling fireworks displays over the Neva River. Cuisine is another highlight of St. Petersburg, where you can savor traditional Russian dishes like borscht, pelmeni, and blini, often accompanied by a glass of Russian vodka or a cup of fragrant tea served in a samovar. St. Petersburg's neighborhoods each have their unique charm, from the lively Nevsky Prospect with its shops, cafes, and vibrant street life to the serene beauty of the Peterhof Palace and gardens on the city's outskirts. The Peterhof complex, often referred to as the Russian Versailles, features stunning fountains, cascades, and meticulously landscaped gardens. St. Petersburg is a city that effortlessly marries its imperial past with a vibrant contemporary spirit. Its rich cultural heritage, world-class museums, stunning architecture, and lively art scene make it an enticing destination for travelers seeking to immerse themselves in Russia's cultural riches. Whether you're exploring the grandeur of its historical landmarks or savoring its culinary delights, St. Petersburg promises an unforgettable experience for all who visit.